In this video I will show you how to design 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text size. Go to Object and choose Expand. Press OK. Go to Object, Path and Offset Path. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Object and choose Ungroup. Now we will give the text the same background color using the eyedropper tool and give the border color a slightly darker color. Go to Object and choose Group. Go to Effect and choose 3D. Click on Inflate. Click on Object. Depth 2 pixels. Adjust the volume. Now we will have Axis Frontits preset. Click on Materials. Base Materials Default. Click on Lighting. Follows these settings. On this shadow, adjust the shadow. Click on Render. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.